Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to continue with the third unit of Basic Electronics, that is Bipolar Junction Transistor. So in this video, we will see the transistor configuration of a common collector. So common collector configuration. In common collector configuration, the base is the input terminal, emitter is the output terminal, while collector terminal is connected as common terminal for both input and output. So here in this diagram you can see this is the common collector configuration for NPN transistor, and second diagram is for common collector configuration for PNP transistor. Now in both the diagram you can see there that the collector terminal is common between the base and the emitter. Here also the collector terminal is common between the base and the emitter. So the name is common collector configuration. The input is applied between the base and collector, hence VBC is the input voltage and IB is the input current. The output is taken between the emitter and the collector. So VEC is the output voltage and IE is the output current for CC configuration. Now we will see the input and output characteristic. First, input characteristic of common collector configuration. This is a graph which shows the input characteristic for common collector configuration. The input characteristic describe the relationship between the input current or base current IB and the input voltage or base to collector voltage VBC. To determine the input characteristic, the output voltage VEC is kept constant at 3 volt as shown in figure, and the input voltage VBC is increased from 0 volt to different voltage levels. For each level of input voltage VBC, the corresponding input current IB is recorded. A curve is then drawn between the input current IB and the input voltage VBC at constant output voltage VEC. Now next, output characteristic of common collector configuration. Now this is the graph which shows the output characteristic for CC configuration. The output characteristic describe the relationship between the output current or emitter current IE and output voltage or emitter collector voltage VEC. To determine the output characteristic, the input current IB is kept constant at 0 microampere and the output voltage VEC is increased from 0 volt to different voltage levels. For each level, the output voltage VEC, the corresponding output current IE is to be recorded. A curve is then drawn between the output current IE and the output voltage VEC at constant value of input current IB. Now next, transistor parameter of CC configuration. First is the dynamic input resistance. The dynamic input resistance is defined as the ratio of change in the input voltage or base voltage to the corresponding change in the input current or base current with the output voltage or emitter voltage kept at constant. The input resistance of common collector amplifier is high. Next is a dynamic output resistance. The dynamic output resistance is defined as the ratio of change in output voltage or emitter voltage to the change in output current or emitter current IE with the input or base current IB constant. The output resistance of a common collector amplifier is low. Next parameter in CC configuration is a common current amplification factor, which is denoted by gamma. The current amplification factor is defined as the ratio of output current or emitter current IE to the input current or base current IB. So the gamma is the current amplification factor, which is expressed between the ratio of collector current or emitter current to the base current IB. The current gain of a common collector amplifier is high. Now here it is a comparison between the transistor configuration. So we have studied three transistor configuration: common base, common emitter and common collector configuration. So with the help of these parameters, we will compare between these three configuration. First parameter is common terminal between the input and output. In common base, base terminal is common. In common emitter, emitter terminal is common. For common collector, collector terminal is common. Next parameter is input current. In common base, it is IE. For common emitter, it is IB. For common collector, it is IB. Output current for common base and common emitter, it is IC, and for common collector, it is IE. The current gain is denoted by symbol alpha for common base, beta for common emitter and gamma for common collector. Now the input voltage is VEB for common base, VBE for common emitter and VBC for common collector. Output voltage VCB for common base, VCE for common emitter and VBC for common collector. The voltage gain of common base is medium, for common emitter it is medium, and for common collector it is less than 1. The input resistance of common base is low, as well as for common emitter it is low, and for common collector it is very high. The output resistance of common base is very high, common emitter is high, and common collector it is low. Applications: common base, it is act as an preamplifier, and common emitter for audio frequency, and for common collector for impedance matching. Now next is a transistor application. The transistor, it is used for amplification for oscillators, logic circuits, relay circuits, switching circuit, wave shaping circuit, timers and multivibrator. Now next, transistor as a switch. The transistor can be used for two types of application, either amplification or for switching purpose. For the amplification application, the transistor is biased in its active region, whereas for switching application, it is biased to operate in a saturation or cutoff region. Now transistor in cutoff region, open switch. Here first diagram, it indicates the transistor in cutoff region. In this mode, both collector base and emitter base junction are reverse biased, and a very small reverse current flows through the transistor. In this mode, device is completely switched off. As a result, the current flowing through the device is zero. Next, transistor in saturation region. The second diagram is shown the transistor in saturation region, where it acts as a closed switch. In this mode, mode of operation, both the emitter base and collector base junction are reversed biased. Current flows freely from collector to emitter when the base emitter voltage is high. In this mode, device is fully switched on. Thank you.